Hey guys, welcome. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jillian and today I am showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. I did that because I do not wear makeup every day, but this is usually my go-to. Just yeah. I never film makeup videos, so please note that I am in no way claiming to be a makeup artist or, you know, someone who is amazing at makeup. I just wanted to change it up a bit, and instead of doing fashion videos, I thought, you know, why not do a beauty video? So here I am. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed already. I am trying my very best to post every week. I really am trying. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling on now and let's get on with the video. What was that? I don't know. So I've got zero makeup on. I've already moisturized my face. I'm gonna apply some chapstick on the lips because we gotta moisturize that too. Yeah, so I do like a line there and a line up here. Yeah. And then I do the same in the front part of my brow. I do a line down here, and a line up there, and then I fill the front part of my brow by trying to do it as lightly as I can because we don't want it too harsh at the front area, do we? It probably doesn't look the best right now, but we'll fix it after. So yeah, spoolie, I'm gonna brush it out, especially the front. Especially this front here, this is so crazy. Okay, it didn't look as bad as before. Set all this in place with some eyebrow gel. And then again, I follow the natural like shape of my brows. Now, next step is to prime my face. I don't really prime my whole face just because I don't apply makeup to my whole face. Oh wow, oh that's a lot. So what I do with this is I apply a little on my forehead and then on my nose. I have been sleeping very late lately. Evan's right there. We need to cover that up. We need to show the world that I had 8 hours of sleep, not 4 hours. So just apply it like so. Oh my gosh, look at that difference. 8 hours of sleep, 4 hours of sleep. Now we're gonna set it with some powder. I don't really put a lot of powder because I go for the natural minimal dewy look. Basically just gonna powder the areas that we concealed. So under the eyes. Okay. Next thing that I do is highlighter. Love, love, love highlighter. Just obsessed. Absolutely obsessed. And I love using liquid highlighter because it gives off a more natural vibe and it just looks less cakey. Then we are going to contour a little bit. I don't usually do this. I usually skip this step, but I mean from time to time when I feel like it, I will do it. Tap tap tap, and I put some on my cheekbones to chisel them out and just give me a bit of colour. I kind of do it up here and down there just to even it out a bit. A bit there, a bit there. And then I squeeze my brush and then get a bit more and do a little bit on my nose. With this I use a powder highlighter just because my nose does get oily, so I feel like if I use a liquid highlighter it will make my nose oilier, and we know about that life. So powder highlight it. So I really put a little bit, just, you know, to make my cheeks look more flushed. Okay, and then I mix. And then with the excess on the brush, I like to bring it to my nose. I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but I didn't put too much because, yeah. So the next thing that we're going to do is eyelashes. We're going to get my eyelash curler. And I have a like routine, or like I have a certain way that I curl my eyelash. So I basically go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and hold. Yeah. We are nearly done. The last thing that I do is apply lipstick. I like to go for a very natural colour, a nude, maybe a nudie pink today. Today I'm using Twig by MAC. Oh wow, I have not worn this colour in ages. So yeah, this is the makeup look. just very simple, natural, dewy. How many times can I say those words? I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I am not a beauty guru. I said that really weird. I am not a beauty guru at all. Just a girl who likes to wear makeup from time to time. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, do those things, and comment down below. You know, if you enjoyed this video, any future video ideas, you know, possibly a skincare routine, or just, you know, tell me how your day's been. What have you guys been up to? How's life? You know, let's chat in the comment section below. Also follow me on Instagram. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and see you in the next video. Bye.